Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to create multi-image Facebook page post from Google Sheets. So here let's assume that in a Google Sheet I have added the post title and the image links. So my objective is that whenever in a Google Sheet in a new row I am going to add the post title and the image links, then automatically a Facebook page post should be created. So now to do this, here I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Google Sheets and my action application will be Facebook. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to create multi-image Facebook page post from Google Sheets. So here in this Google Sheet, I have added the title and the image links which I want to use in my Facebook page post. So here, as my title suggests, that is to create multi-image Facebook page post. So here in this column of image link, I have added 2 image link. You can add even more. So my objective is that whenever in a new row I'm going to add the title and the image links, then automatically on my Facebook page a post should be created by using the same. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So now here, as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as create multi-image Facebook page post from Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, you can see these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now you can see I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles and concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action application. So now moving to my use case, that is to create multi-image Facebook page post from Google Sheets. So as I've already mentioned that in a Google Sheet, I've added the title for the post and I've added different image links which I want to use in the Facebook page post. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to my trigger window and I'm going to use Google Sheets as my trigger application. And here it is. Now the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. So now whenever in a new row, the details will be added for the Facebook page post, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So now as I want to create multi-image Facebook page post, so here in my action window, I'm going to use Facebook pages as my action application, and here it is. And now the action event will be to create multi-image post. So it will create a multi-image post within a page. So as you can see, I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to create multi-image Facebook page post from Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now I will show you how you can connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So this here is my Google Sheet. And now here, in order to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, I will go to extensions and make sure you should have installed this Pabbly Connect webhooks extension. So if you don't have it, you can simply go to get add-ons. And now in the search bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here it is. So as I've already installed this extension, so it says Pabbly Connect webhooks is installed. So you can also follow the same process to install this extension. So I'm going to close this. So now as I want to build an integration between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, I will go to extensions and then I will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and now I will go to initial setup. So this here in initial setup, it says the webhook URL will be set up on the below selected sheet. So as this Google Sheet consists only of one sheet, so over here this webhook URL will apply on this sheet. So here from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and now here in this Google Sheet, I'm going to paste it. So now moving to the trigger column. So the trigger column is the final data column on which the data is to be added. So here this Google Sheet consists only of two columns, that is of title and the image link. So here B will be my trigger column. So I'm mentioning B as the trigger column, and now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that the setup has been configured successfully. But now before moving ahead, one important step is left. That is that whenever in a new row I'm going to add the title and the image links, then automatically a Facebook page post should be created. So in order to do that, again I will go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on the send on event button. So by clicking on the send on event button, it will make sure that whenever in this Google Sheet in a new row, I'm going to add the title and the image links, then automatically the Facebook page post will be created. So here I'm going to click on send on event. So once this is done, here I'm going to refresh the page. So now in this new row, I'm going to add the title and the image links which I want to share on my Facebook page. So now I'm going to mention it. So here in this new row, I have added the title and I have added 3 image links. So now I want to create a Facebook page post by using this title and these 3 images link which I have added. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and show you that the details which I've added in this new row has been successfully captured in Pabbly Connect. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I have received the response. Here is the trigger column, title, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row, and the image link. So that means the details which I've added in a new row in my Google Sheet is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever in Google Sheet in a new row, the details for the post title and the image links will be added, then automatically the details of that row will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the post details over here in Pabbly Connect, so over here I'm going to my action window that consists of Facebook pages as the action application and the action event as create multi-image post. So now to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm going to click on connect. So here you can see that the authorization is successful. So Pabbly Connect and Facebook pages is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. Here I need to mention the page where I want to create this post. So here my page name is Fashion and Accessory Shop. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page and I'm going to select it. So now over here, I need to mention the link for the images, that is the URL. So make sure to follow this proper format. So the format includes JPEG, BMP, PNG, GIF, TIFF. So make sure to follow these formats and ensure the file size as well. So now moving to the images field. So here to mention the image link, I'm going to use this method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I have received the response from Google Sheets, so I'm going to map the link from this option of image link and I've mapped it. So now moving to the message. In message, I want to mention the title. So here I'm going to map the title as the message. So now if you want to schedule a publish time, you can do it. But as of now, I'm leaving it blank. So here you can see I've used this method of mapping to mention the images and the message, that is the title for the Facebook page post, because this method of mapping is important. If I would have added these values manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. Here, as I want that whenever in a new row, I'm going to add the new image links and the new title. So automatically the new title and the new image links should come in this field. If I would have done this manually by writing it, so this workflow could have got stuck. So to avoid that, we map the information. So now moving ahead, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So now here on my Facebook page, you can see that a new post has been created with multiple images, and here is the title for the same post. So over here the title goes as best winter wear style for everyone, and these are the images which I have added in the Google Sheet, and a Facebook page post is created by using the same. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means now whenever in a new row in Google Sheet, the post title and the image links will be added, then automatically by using the same details, a Facebook page post will be created.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.